Okay, got the motor back in. Right now, I'm on the second round of just running cheap oil. It was like 20 bucks for this. You know, already did one. Pulled out the, you know, the old oil. Didn't get quite all of it out. There wasn't much milkiness, but when I had those broken down, I really cleaned it out. Sorry if it's hard to hear. So I just got the, you know, second 5 quarts in here. I just want to make sure it's really clean. Run it for about 5 minutes. You know, get it up to temperature. Check for leaks. Everything looks good so far. So far we're really lucky. You know, we're not done yet, so we're just gonna get this through, warm it out, make sure there's no leaks. Then I'll come back and I'll let you know how everything goes. I got the new radium plugs in here, it's running much better. And then we'll drain this final oil out. I just used one of these Harbor Freight pumps. And then we'll put the Honda oil back in for the final. We'll put the fuel stabilizer in, and then we'll go top it off with 92.